Hi everyone, welcome back to Salmon and Cod Playtime. I hope you've had a great week. I am ready to play with you all again today. Alright, today we are going to be talking about one of my favorite things, and that is Chinese food. I love to order Chinese food. I think I said that in the last video or two, but it's my favorite thing. So today we're going to talk about a Chinese order, okay? I've got my to-go bag ready. Right here for my order to go in. It's got my little parenthesis closures here, and it's all ready to go in. Now, when I order Chinese food, they always put it in a nice little to-go container, okay? And in my to-go container, when I order for my kids, I always get my kids sweet and sour chicken, which is what this is. It's a sweet and sour chicken. They always get 2 egg rolls, 1 egg roll, 2 egg rolls, and then we always get rice for them. They always get fried rice, and that's what all these little stars down here are. That's the fried rice, okay? So this is one of our orders, okay? It's in a little to-go container, and it's got sweet and sour chicken, 2 egg rolls, and rice. Now, when I order this, the nice lady always puts it in a to-go bag for me, okay? Now, if this order was in this bag, all in the little parentheses here, it would look like this. Remember how we talked about before how parentheses are like a little to-go bag? Okay, well in this to-go bag right now, I've got sweet and sour chicken, plus I have 2 egg, I need to put a 2 on there. So I have 2 egg rolls. I don't just have 1 egg roll. I have 2 egg rolls. Let's put a 2 on there. There we go. Okay, so we've got sweet and sour chicken. I've got 2 egg rolls, and I've got an order of rice. And that is what is in this bag right now. That's the order that's in this bag. Okay, very easy. That's so easy. But we're going to make it a little bit more complicated because I have more than 1 kid. And trust me, my kids do not want to share. They never want to share. It's their container. No one else can eat out of their container. If one of their siblings was to touch their container, oh my gosh, there would be chaos. Our house would just erupt in chaos. So each kid gets their own container. So when I go to order, I tell the nice lady my order, and then I say, but I need 3 of those. Can I have 3 of the same order? And she goes, sure, of course you can. So she makes the first order like this. She makes the second order, same thing. Chicken, egg rolls, rice. And then she gets the other order of chicken, egg rolls, rice. Okay? So 3 orders of the exact same order. Now, all of this, all these orders, all these to-go containers are going to go in a bag. And she's going to put these very nicely in a bag. I can't really get them nicely in here, but they're all going to very nicely go in the bag. And then I take this home with me. I take this home, and this is what we eat for dinner. Okay? So, when I'm ordering, I've got my order, my original order, and I said I wanted chicken, egg rolls, and rice. But when we go to write this, let me get my pen here. We're going to say I want 3. We're going to put a 3 on the outside of the parentheses. And what this 3 means is that I want 3 of this whole entire exact order. I don't just want the 1 box. I want all 3 boxes of the same order. I want the same ingredients all going into the same boxes. Okay? So I want this order, but I want it 3 times. Okay? That's why that little 3 is on the outside. It means everything that's in the sack right now, I need 3 of them. I need 3 complete orders that are exactly like the first one. Okay? So that's what that means. Now, what if I said, I'm getting overcrowded here. Let's move some of this out of the way. What if I didn't have all 3 kids with me? What if I only had 2 kiddos with me? Well, then we'd put 2 over here. And I would say, I tell the nice lady, hi, I need 2 of this order. This is the order I need. I need rice and, see this little plus sign right here? This little plus sign means the word and. I need chicken and 2 egg rolls and rice. That little plus means the word and. So in this box, when she goes to make it, she's going to put in the chicken and 2 egg rolls and the rice, but I needed 2 orders of it. 2 orders. So here's my 2 exact same orders. Okay, that's what that means. It means I need 2 of everything that was in this container. I need 2 containers of it. Okay, so here we go. Here's my 2 containers. They're going to go inside the sack, and I am going to take this home. Okay, so that gets taken home. I'm going to write this out for you. Now, when I get home, this is my order. Okay, when I get home, I'm going to have, we're going to do this in, let's see if this blue shows up today. This looks like a pretty blue. Let's see if I can get this kind of sideways so you can see it here. There we go. When I get home, I'm going to have 2 orders of chicken. We're going to pretend like that is that chicken because, oh, that marker does not show up at all. That's horrible. That makes my eyes hurt. It makes my brain hurt. Let's do a different marker here. See if this one shows up better. There we go. When I get home, I'm going to have 2 orders of chicken. I'm going to have 2 orders of 2 egg rolls. So my first order of egg rolls, I'd have 1, 2. And in the second order, I'd have 3, 4. So 2 orders of 2 egg rolls is 2 multiplied by 2, 2 groups of 2. And that's going to give me 4 egg rolls total. And that's my little sign for an egg roll. So just pretend it's magically awesome. Okay, so I have 2 chicken plus the 4 egg rolls. Okay, plus, we're going to do a plus right here. I also have 2 orders of the rice. So we're going to do 2 orders of the rice. And when I get home, this is all the food total that is going to be in both containers because I did 2 orders of chicken, 2 orders of 2 egg rolls, which equaled 4 egg rolls, plus 2 orders of rice. And that's all the food that I'm taking home, and that's a lot of food. My goodness, that's a lot of food. We are going to be eating for days. Oh my gosh. Okay, now, next question. What happens if we've got this order of my sweet and sour chicken, egg rolls, and rice, but what if I don't want to eat the same thing as my kids? I normally don't order the same thing as my kids. Normally when I order, I get sesame chicken. This is the sesame sauce. Is that kind of silly? That's my sesame sauce. I love the egg rolls. I get my egg rolls, but I get noodles with mine. I don't get the rice. Mama likes the noodles. So all these are noodles. Ah, noodle attack, noodle attack. Noodles attacking the math. Ah! Okay, so my kids have their order, but this is my order. Well, how would that look if I made the order? Well, if I made this order right here, it would look like this order right here. So we've got 2 chicken plus 2 egg roll plus rice. Okay, can you see that? 2 chicken plus 2 egg roll plus rice. That was my kids' order. Plus, this means and I need something else in the back. So chicken and egg rolls and rice, and I need a whole nother order. These parentheses show that this is my next order. My next order is going to have, how should I draw this so we know what this is? We're just going to put little sesame seeds on my chicken. So sesame chicken, 2 egg roll, and noodles. We'll just do little swirlies, little swirlies for noodles. Okay? So that would be my order. So here's my kids' 2 orders. And I also need this order. Well, when the nice lady sees this at the restaurant, she's going to go, oh, well, I know what to put in the box now. So she's going to get my to-go container ready, bloop, bloop, like that. She's going to take both my kids' orders right here, boop, boop. Those can both go in here. But then she's also going to take Mama's order. There's Mama's order with the noodles and the special chicken, because I like sauce on my chicken. We're going to put it all in the bag. And when I'm ready to go, after I pay, she's going to hand me this bag. And, well, she's going to hand it to me this way, so that it all doesn't fall over backwards. She's going to hand it to me, and I'm going to take this home. And this is what we're going to eat. Okay? So that's how it's all packaged up. All neat and tidy and gorgeous and beautiful. And none of the orders touch, but it's all pretty and organized. Yay! Organized food! My kids won't have to fight because their food touched. Yay! All right. We're going to come back later and we're going to play again, okay? I hope you had fun. I hope I didn't make you too hungry. I really hope I didn't make you too hungry. You guys have a good day, okay? Bye. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe. We need those likes, okay? Thanks. Bye.